My professional career started working for Save the Children in Lesotho in South Africa. So I always had a very strong interest and passion for child health. My inspiration for starting Aparito 5 years ago was just seeing the impact of asking children and families to travel to hospitals, how stressful they found it to take part in clinical assessment. And why does every test have to be so long, painful, and only be based in the hospital? So that's why I decided to change the way that we do patient monitoring and to offer them the opportunity to use innovation such as their own smartphone, wearable devices, video recordings to capture the disease impact aspects that are important to them. As you probably can imagine, most patients don't suffer from the symptoms right there and then in clinic with the doctors, and they always happen at night when they're away, when they're quite some distance from the hospital. So trying to encourage them to be able to capture and report that information in real time through using our technology. Through the Innovate UK funding, we were able to start our precision medicine study in Cape Town in South Africa. And I think from very early on, there was that natural fit that meant that we've never had friction or difficulty in, we've had challenges, and it's been, it's not to say that the work hasn't been easy, but because we all had the ultimate goal and the overall objective, it's made working with them extremely fruitful and productive. That funding allowed us to create a whole new concept and from start to finish. So as a company, it was a very exciting study to be involved in. And from a credibility point of view, the funding gave us a lot of credibility. The experience has given us a lot of sort of profile and learnings. And all these things together just sort of make you in a much stronger position to then translate it to other areas and seek new funding or contracts. For us as a company, since we secured or won the Newton Fund, we've actually gone on to secure 1.4 million investment, and we've also won around 12 different contracts with sort of now studies and patients across all 4 continents in the world. And that opportunity to start working outside of the UK and outside Europe was very informative and very critical for us in our business to be able to demonstrate that we could deploy our technology globally, and the South Africa experience was a key step in that.